Iba pa, sa may Frankfurt pa to, iba pa yung Berlin. Yung kanyang tinirhan na apartment. May marker eh.
Meron po kang marker sa Berlin.
Yung pinuntahan natin, saan yun?
Sa Egerstrasse.
Egerstrasse. Hindi ba marked yun? O baka local marking na naman. Nagpunta kami ni Secretary Bebot Bello noon, nag-lay kami ng wreath sa Berlin. Tapos meron siyang favorite coffee shop doon. Memoryado mo, alika. Oo, meron mag-German yan eh. Anong pangalan ng coffee shop?
Wala.
Anong pangalan ng bahay? Nung tinirhan niya?
Yung sa bahay ba? No, Egerstrasse.
Egerstrasse. Pero yung bahay, may mark siya eh. Kung hindi kayo nag-marker, di local
lang po. Baka
sila. Ina-appreciate nila. Di, i-marker naman natin kung pinapahalaga ng Aleman, di lalo na tayo. Oo, di ba? O, ipasummarize mo kay Philippine Embassy lahat ng nakamark German government kay Rizal para ma-mark naman natin. Ibigay sa atin yung Atas ito, si Lite Verain na Women's School, Techvok, okay, ito ay nag-publish ng first edition ng Noli Me Tangere sa Berlin. Ang galing niya. Feminist talaga si Rizal. Pumili siya, hindi basta-basta publishing company. An all-women's technological school ang nag-publish ng first edition ng Noli. Parang dapat nakamark yun. Lite Verain in Berlin.
Jägerstrasse in Berlin. Opo, where pati yung order of the Knights of Rizal, they have been putting up that marker, but that's an NHCP marker. It's a Jägerstrasse.
It's an apartment, just the apartment.
Yung nag-print, kasi the building is still up the Lite Verain. The building it's a beautiful building of an all-women's Techvok school na nag-print ng Noli Me Tangere. Diba dapat marker yun. Oo. Kung wala pang marker, parang wala pa.
List all of those and then prioritize.
Do it within 1 month na lang before the book fair, at least an announcement or even one marker sana. But if talagang di kaya, we can announce that you've gone through the process and we will do the marking. Diba? Interesting. Sige, thank you.
Just 2 slides na lang po. For our organizational challenges, one is the absence of legal unit personnel. Although we are assisted by our OSG, wala po kaming regular legal personnel para to assist us to handle our legal issues. Especially yung mga heritage issues po. There's a growing number of requests para po sa mga settlement na mga ganyan. In our charter, we have a revolving fund, kaya lang po nakakap lang po siya sa 1 million na parang hindi din po namin nagagamit masyado. Siguro kailangan po itaas po yun sa aming charter, yung provision na sa charter. And then the need for new units or staffing patterns, siguro we have to revisit our existing organizational setup, including the staffing pattern, dahil nga po nag-emerge po yung needs. We have to revisit our organizational structure. Next, please. So, last po. To address yung mga issues na earlier na-raise po natin, yung mga challenges na yon, so we're proposing po yung amendment ng aming charter. Yun na po, yun na po ang pinaka-last.
Amendment of your charter will be legislation.
Yes.
Have you given it to us?
Isasubmit pa lang po namin. Yun po.
Strengthening your charter would mean, what is its impact on you?
Well, we're including
Stronger
have at
legal
least
connection.
6 regional
Huh?
office and to legalize, institutionalize the management of the Metropolitan Theater because currently we don't have that in our charter to manage.
No, NHCP charter to
Ay, hindi ma'am. SSA po ma'am.
NHCP charter ito. Yes, it's not yet with us. Please give us the draft. And you're talking about the NCCA charter, it's already with us.
Yes po ma'am.
Did I file the NCCA charter?
So, salient points ng chart ng strengthening. What are the salient points? DG.
Charters.
Just salient points lang, yung mga main points.
Yun po yung earlier na mention ng na issues yung the reorganization tsaka po yung 1 million cap na tataasan po namin.
Yung 1 million cap, nasa charter yun. Di ba dapat board action na lang yan?
Naka-include po sa charter kaya
Hindi
nalimit
may
po.
inflation and
Yeah.
all that.
Kaya hindi namin yun.
Dapat board action na lang yan, masyadong restrictive.
Yes.
Okay.
Di lagay sa board nila.
Back to the Kalamba. I'm told, PNB, I did my research, it's only 15 million. The land, it's not 26 million. Oh, why did you say 26 million? Sabi ko na nga, kalahati ang presyo, tawaran pa nyo. 15 lang, why did you say 26?
That was the figure given to us last year.
Oh, it's only 15 million, tawaran pa nyo, 10. No, can we buy the lot beside Rizal? Oo, 15 lang.
Sige.
Yes, one correction. Yeah, 15. Because when you mentioned the 26, kasi there are 2 properties kasi in Calamba that was initially eyed. There's another property, the Lynch lot. There's a lot.
I don't know. I'm talking about the property right beside the Rizal house in Calamba, which is with PNB. Is that 26 or 15 million? Yan naman. Please give accurate figures. O negotiate na nyo, tawaran pa nyo, and then give us the exact amount. Pagkausapin natin, bababa yan sa 5 million. Ayoko na makialam sa sale. Kayo, please, bababa pa yan, then we provide. We can provide, right? As a buffer zone, pag 10. Amendante yan, oo. Tapos, pwede magkaroon ng classes on Rizal, pwedeng, it can be not just museum, but educational purposes to teach Rizal. Like Central Rizal. It can be a Central Rizal. Tawad kayo. Who's in charge of procurement? Who is PNB speaking with? ED? Ay, tuturuan kayo. O sige. Anyway, before, yeah.
Madam Chair, magandang hapon po. I think before po, kasama na po sa budget sana namin yung acquisition of that property. Kaya lang po, nagbago po ang isip ng PNB. Hindi na po, nung pong nag-negotiate na po kami, we were doing the contract, bigla po silang umatras, nag-back out po sa sale. Kaya po, hindi natuloy and the budget was refunded to the Bureau of Treasury.
Just find out again, please.
Sige po.
No, but why 26 to 15? Ang laking diferensya naman, no?
Ma'am, ano po, kasi po nung ano po kami, nung chine-check po namin yun, meron pa rin po kasi sa likod na available lot po. Kaya po kung makukuha po yung nasa likod plus yung nasa gilid, yun po yung to.
I'm talking about the one right
Yes.
beside it, which is
Apo.
15.
Sige po, ma'am.
And tawaran pa nyo, then give us the amount so it could be a possible, not sure if you can do it, amendment for the acquisition of the lot.
Sige po.
Saka na yung magtayo kayo ng structure doon ayon sa arkitektura ng bahay ni Rizal, actually the year after.
Sige po.
Yes, thanks.
Sige po. We will do that po. Thank you.
I have a few questions lang on the budget. Chairman, ED, nakita ko sa budget, your rent expense went up from 3.2 million to 11 million. Is there any reason it went up almost triple? And also the subscription expense from 7 million to 14. Is there any particular reason bakit tumaas siya? And also yung professional expense from 9 million to 23. So nine natin sa professional services, 9 million to 23.
Sa professional services po, sir, ito po yung mga, kasi po, in the process of our research, of our capacity building, we hire po yung mga speakers, professional services from our speakers. Dito po yung pumapasok.
Okay.
And kasama po dito, kagaya po ngayon, we are doing the Muslim history, and we hire consultants, and dun po siya pumapasok as part of the accounting
So these are for your consultants, capacity
Yes.
building.
Opo.
Meron ba dito mga job order, mga ganyan?
Meron din po.
Meron din.
Right now we have at
Contract
least,
of service, may
opo,
mga ganyan.
meron po. Tatlo po ngayon yung na-hire po namin na contractuals para po sa aming division sa finance, and sa research and publication division po, we also hired additional contractual researchers.
Okay. And then dito sa lease, rent?
Sa rental po, ito po yung, kasi nga po, pagka po nag-undertake kami ng mga capacity building all over the Philippines, nag-hire po kami ng venue. Ito po yung venue for the, yung pong minsan ginagawa po namin sa mga hotels. Doon po, kasi po, doon po, alimbawa po sa Mindanao, nag-hire po kami doon po namin dinadala yung aming mga kinakapacitate. Then, nag-hire po kami ng mga venue po
Is
doon.
there any reason why in 2025 lumaki siya? Are you going to increase your
Yun na,
seminars? Ano bang
Yes.
balak?
actually po sa ngayon po, part po dyan yung po Muslim History and Heritage po namin na project wherein we hire mga consultants po, yun po yun. Kasi po, yung po mga researchers na nag-undertake ng mga research regarding the Muslim history, yun po yung, and we are given 15 million for that.
Next year will be
2030 po kasi ang year of the Muslim History and Heritage. 2030.
2030.
So this is in preparation po. We conduct researches for that po.
Okay, so in preparation for 2030, aga pa.
Yes, kasi nga po, we have to resolve issues, we have to capacitate the
Well, it's good to plan early. And
Yes.
hindi naman din i-discourage yun. Ako ay support early planning. It's just, sabi ko, that's almost 5 years from now. No, but it's good, no? Kasi these things take time, eh.
Opo.
So, balak niyo umikot nationwide to conduct all of these
Opo.
activities.
Opo.
In subscription, how come?
Subscription po, ito po yung mga ano po namin, mga binibili po namin mga ano lang po ito, journals.
Kaya nag-double siya, how come it's...
Sa management information system po ito usually, kasi nga po yung sa aming records management, we do the records management, the library systems management, laboratory, the HR, human resource management system, yun po yan. We are computerized.
Kanina nakita ko digitalization.
Yes.
That's
opo.
part of it.
That's part of it po, as part of our licenses.